Okay, good day everyone. My name is Angelo Reneson, metric number BF25110097, and today I will be presenting my book Respond on Araby by James Joy. Araby is a short story from Joy's collection Dublina. Although it is a simple story, it contains important themes about love, hope, disappointment, and growing up. In this presentation, I will discuss the main idea of the story, its plot, characters, structure, and the lesson I learned from reading it. For main idea, the most important message of Araby is the loss of innocence and the transition from childhood dreams to adult reality. The protagonist develops strong feelings for Mangan's sister and believe that buying a gift from the Araby Bazaar will make his dream come true. However, by the end of the story, he realized that reality is very different from what he imagined. In my opinion, this term is relatable because many young people experience disappointment when their expectations do not match reality. My group and I agree that James Joyce successfully show how first love can sometimes lead to unrealistic expectation. Okay, for the topic, the story is about a young boy living in Dublin who becomes infatuated with Mangan's sister. After promising to buy her a gift from the Araby Bazaar, he becomes obsessed with the idea of going there. The plot is clear and easy to follow because it develops chronologically. The tension increases as the boy has to wait for his uncle to come home before he can leave for the bazaar. My group felt that this waiting period is important because it builds suspense and makes readers feel the boy's excitement and frustration. For character, my favorite character is the protagonist. He is the most interesting character because of his deep admiration for Mangan's sister. His feelings are so strong that he almost treats them like a form of worship. This can be seen in the quotation, "Her name sprang to my lips at moment in strange prayer and praise, which I myself did not understand." This quotation shows the innocence and intensity of his emotion. My group agree that many readers can relate to him because everyone experiences strong emotion and admiration during adolescence. Okay, to prove, James Joyce presents the main message through symbolisms, especially the contrast between light and darkness. At the beginning, the boy's hope and dreams are associated with light. However, when he reaches the bazaar, the atmosphere is dark and disappointing. This contrast reflects his journey from hope to disappointment. My group and I think the symbolism is effective because it allows reader to understand the protagonist's emotional change without directly explaining it. The events are also believable because they reflect common human experience such as waiting, hoping, and feeling disappointed. For the structure, the story is well organized with a clear beginning, middle, and ending. The beginning introduces the setting and the protagonist's feelings. The middle focuses on his anticipation for visiting the bazaar. And the ending presents his realization that his dreams were unrealistic. In our discussion, my group agreed that every detail in the story contributes to the final message. This makes the story easy to understand and meaningful for reader. Okay, for the author, The story was written by James Joyce, an Irish novelist from Dublin. Araby is part of his famous collection called Dubliners. Joyce often wrote about ordinary people and their struggle in life. The story belongs to the genre of literary realism and can also be considered a coming-of-age story. What makes Araby special is its use of an epiphany, which is a sudden moment of realization. At the end of the story, the protagonist understands that his romantic dreams were unrealistic, and this realization changed his perspective on life. So, from reading Araby, I learned that people often allow their imagination and desire to influence their expectations. Sometimes reality is different from what we hope for, and this can lead to disappointment. However, this experience helps us become more mature and realistic. My group and I believe that this is the most valuable lesson from the story. I would recommend Araby to reader who enjoy stories about personal growth, emotion, and life lesson. Okay, so for me, Araby is a powerful story about hope, love, disappointment, and maturity. Through the protagonist's experience, James Joyce showed that growing up often involves facing reality and learning valuable lessons. So that's all for me. Thank you.